Hey everyone, this is your overview video for Unit 3 Mini-QPA 2. So last Mini-QPA we focused on distance time graphs. This Mini-QPA we're going to be focusing and diving a little bit deeper into linear and quadratic graphs. So linear, straight line, quadratic. We have our, see if I can do with my arms, like a curved line. Sorry, I know that's beautiful, but it's curved. So remember, it's like shooting a basketball, shooting a hoop, tossing something over to your friends, aka when we're not supposed to be throwing pencils in the classroom, when you throw pencils, kind of like that. So yeah, if you are unsure if you need to actually complete this assignment, pause the video now, and what you're going to do after you pause it is reach out to me directly or reach out to your PPM, and they will let you know if you need to complete this assignment. And then once you've done that, jump back on, and I'm going to share my screen right now, and we're going to go over the bundle map for this Mini-QPA. It's going to be fabulous per usual. So, as usual, this is your bundle map, so your guideposts for how to complete this assignment. If you feel like at this time you need some more practice or an overview of like, hey, what is a linear function graph or quadratic graph? Click on this link or this link and then click on it, and then it will give you your overview info more of that. And remember, we want to be relating these to real life word problems, and we want to be using as much math vocabulary as possible. Woo-woo! So I want to be seeing words like x-intercept, y-intercept, constant speed. I want to be seeing all those lovely words. So for this one, you are focusing more on linear and quadratic graphs and answering questions based off what you see. So you are already starting on step one. Go you by watching this video, which will be linked right here, but you've already done that, so go you. Then you want to be doing step two. You want to be completing part one, answering questions 1 through 4, and what are your x and y intercepts? If you're like, I don't remember, that's okay, totally fine, totally fine. You want to click on this note right here. You want to open it up, waiting patiently, and it breaks down your x, your y-intercept. So x, line crosses the x-axis at y equals 0, and y-intercept, line crosses the y-axis where x equals 0, aka your initial value. And then you can read this for yourselves. It goes through a word problem for linear, but you can still apply that to quadratic. So that's for part 1. Then part 2, you want to be answering question 5. Don't know how to start the problem? Watch the video that will be inserted shortly here. And then once you complete that, you want to go on to part 3, answer questions 1 through 6. You want the key info on quadratic. If you're like, I don't know, you're going to click on this link here. Load. And it goes through an example right here. So you can follow along here, read the steps, and you'll be good to go. Then you want to complete the final part, which is questions 1 through 4, and then you'll be like, yay, you're done, go you. It's gonna be great. So that is your overview video for your Unit 3 Mini-QPA 2. So what are your steps now? Now that you've watched this amazing video, you're like, Miss, what do I do now? So what do you want to do? First, you want to open up your document in Google Classroom. You want to start on this Mini-QPA. And then you want to, as you complete it, and when you complete it, you want to hit that turn-in button, because remember, there are great prizes of when you complete assignments. And then from there, if you still have questions, totally fine. We are here for you. please reach out to me directly, reach out to your PPM, and they can get in contact with me and we can set up a time. Or on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I have my live office hours. So come on then, and we can go over any assignments you would like. So that is all for me now. You're going to complete Mini-QPA 2, and then you're going to watch the next video. It's going to be about the QPA. But don't worry about that yet. You're going to finish Mini-QPA 2 first, and then we're going to go from there. So ciao, ciao for now. I will see y'all in a few moments.